Whoa! Fall down, go boom. Fall down, go boom. Try and get up. Can you do it? Hey, that's all over me. Got me wet. That's wet. Hey, you're moving too much. Pretty fun. Pretty fun. It's like closing those doors. It's pretty good. Oh, there you go. You gotta sit down. Sit down, go boom. Hello. How are you? How are you doing? Can you wave hi? Wave. Wave bye-bye. Robbie. Oh no, here it comes. Try to get back up. Oh, we're working on it. Working on it. Working on it. There we go. It's pretty good. There it goes. There it goes. There it goes. Nice, Harry. Oh, there he is. Oh, having a good time. Having a good time. Having a good time. Yeah, I gotta get over that. Yes. Putting your rocks in there. Is that a rock spot? There you are. Spot for rocks. There you go. Wanna go back and see your mom? Where's your mom? Rock boy. There goes the rocks. Wow, look at that balancing act. Oh, he's balanced on it. Oh, yeah. Wow. Wow. Can you do it again? Oh, there it is. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, balancing. Ready for your skateboard next. Uh-oh. Do you know how to go under there? Yes. Mr. Poos is in the sandbox. Climb back under. Do you need help? You can do it. Until Mr. Poos can get out of his gazebo. There you go. He did it. It's pretty good. Can you do it? There you go, you're going under. Yes, now he's done.